motion, nigga. We having motion, we having motion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We having motion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Yes, sir. Rise and grind, good people, man. I'm back at y'all with another quick video with the pull-up king. Yeah, it's getting hot out, boy. Working on this 02 Honda Civic. We're doing the spark plugs, thermostat. Change it out. All right, I already got the 10 mils out. There's 4 of them. Take those out. Get your flathead to the left to loosen that. Take it off. Coil packs. Take out the harness on each one, and then pull out the coil pack. Got them out. Go ahead and take out the spark plugs. Oil around the valve cover gasket cover. That means the valve cover gaskets are needed. We got a 5/8 or 16 mil. All right, got them out. Got some old champions in here. Going in with the longer lasting NGK Iridium. Always anti-seize. Don't stick to the block, no seizing, no corrosion, none of that. Got the new spark plugs in there. We're gonna put the coil packs in. Alright, we got our coil packs in. Go ahead and install that. To the right. Lock in position. Tune up done. On to the thermostat. And the thermostat is located right there. That bad boy. Alright, we're gonna move this 10 millimeter there, move it out the way. Just take that off. 10 mil. Get your pan, put it up underneath. So catch that coolant. We got 2 10 millimeter bolts holding that in. Alright, that's both of those bolts there. Move that. Let me see. Man, coolant dirty. Need a coolant flush. That thermostat out of there. Alright, so this is the thermostat. It's broken. Yeah, it's broken. Let me see if the other piece. Where's the other piece? That's a good question. There ain't nothing in there. I guess that's how they put it back together. And that's what it's supposed to look like, ladies and gentlemen. A thermostat. Not like this. I don't know what. I don't know. Who knows? But we going in with the correct product. Go ahead and put the air box back together. Alright, go ahead, top it off next. Alright, now we want to start it up. Make sure you turn the heat on. Get those air bubbles out.
With another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.